Raj and Sean, it's Cletus Time. I'm Cletus Boone, your head honcho at Cletus Cook House. Today we're making my bacon tomato gravy. It's going to be so good that it's going to make a possum come out of its holler, make your heart do a two-step. We got to grab your overalls, y'all. Let's get to the Cletus Cook House. But don't tell my cousin Roy Bob, because if he hears wind of this, he's going to come and snatch everything up to the fox at a hen house. Make bacon tomato gravy. I put some gravy in a cold skillet. I started up on medium heat. You can hear it sizzling behind me. Now what we're going to do eventually, we're going to take that bacon off, but we're keeping all that bacon grease. We're going to put some flour in there. We got a cup of milk, but a cup and a half actually. Fresh tomatoes are best, but if you don't have fresh, canned will do. And I got some hot sauce here. I like to put a little bit of hot sauce in mine. When we mix all these together in the right way, like I'm going to show you, it'll make your heart sing. But we gotta let that bacon fry up, so come on over and we'll go ahead and get started. And what you're gonna do is it's gonna take a few minutes here, and you're gonna cook up this bacon, and you ain't wasting any of this bacon grease. That you cook it up, you get it nice and fried up, get that pan full of grease, and I made too much bacon. Said no one ever. So what we're gonna do, once we're happy with it, we're gonna take the bacon out. We're gonna put that aside. You're gonna get all that bacon out of there. Once we get that bacon out of there, we're gonna make a roux. We got the bacon aside. What we're gonna do is get your flour. Putting in 3 tablespoons of flour in the skillet. You can see there. Sorry, I had the stuff in the way, the camera. And then we're gonna get which one? We're gonna use this one today. We're gonna get that all mixed around in the bacon grease. So we need to get the flour taste out of there. We're gonna get that all cooked around. And it's gonna take a few minutes. See, when you start getting it see nice and brown like that, got all mixed around, that's a good sign. It'll take just a second here. Once it gets that nice and kind of brownish color you see there, that's more what we're going for. And once we get nice and browned up, you're gonna take you got fresh tomatoes, you got canned tomatoes. Put those tomatoes in there. I guess I didn't get all the liquids out of there like I should have. Go ahead and get this all kind of cooked up in here. Make sure that everything gets nice and cooked and soft. And while this is cooking, don't forget to get your tea. And then let me tell you, one of the secrets to gravy, no matter what kind of gravy it is you gotta use whole milk. This ain't no city yoga where you got skim milk. There we go. Now I'm cooking all that out. Cook this down some where it gets nice and thickened up. Now, once that gets cooked up, see, got my whole milk here. Like I said, you don't want to use any skim milk or anything. You need that extra fat in there and make better tasting gravy. Mix some of that in there. After you get that put in there, make sure you hit it with some pepper. Hit it with some salt. Mix it around. Now, what I like to do, I like to put a little bit of hot sauce in there too. You get some hot sauce. And we're going to go ahead and let this cook up here. Turn up the heat just a little bit. Get that good mixed around. Just like when I was making the sausage gravy, it takes a few minutes to get going. But just like with the sausage gravy, or just like anything in life, if you get it too fast, it probably ain't worth it. Sometimes the best stuff in life takes time. And there you have it. It took me a while to let it cook down, but I liked about this consistency. Coat the back of the spoon, and you see a nice and amount there. Now I already made some of my biscuits, which I can put in the description down below or connect this video to. But I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat off on this, and we're going to have some bacon tomato gravy. And that's how it's done at Cletus Cook House. We made some bacon tomato gravy. It's so good that the possums will line up at your door. But don't tell my cousin Ray Bob, or he'll eat the whole darn pan. But of course, we got to take a bite of this. That is so good. If you like this video, tell me what your favorite gravy is in the comments down below. Like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.